My name is Chriselle Garcia. I'm 30 years old, married. I have one child. I'm a high school graduate of the Guban City National High School. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper in Lebanon.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Chriselle. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
So what do we think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I must be honest, responsible, patient, and hardworking.
So since you're already a mother, can you tell me how to take care of the children?
The proper way of taking care of children is to give them a proper food, give them vitamins, and give them medicine whenever they are sick.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I will never do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job to help my family. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Borabo, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.